1 real numbers for exercise 1.5. First bit, find the value. Determine the value log 25 5. Base is 25 and the n value is 5. We have to find the value of x. Now this 25 we can express like 5 square. 5 5 is 25. So in place of base I wrote 5 square 5 1. Now by using the formula log y power n x power m is equals to, now when we y power base any power is there and the n value any power is there, means we will write the powers down first in front of a log. Before log we will write the powers. So whatever the powers will be there you should write in before the log, and the remaining you should write same. Log you should write and the base value you should write same and n value you should write same. Now by using this formula we should express like this as like this. Now this powers are 1 and 2, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 log, and we'll write same, base as 5 and n value is 5. So log 1 by 2 log base 5 5. Now when base and n value is same means we will get 1 by using the formula log a is equals to 1. So log 5 is nothing but 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. The answer is 1 by 2. Now similarly, second question, log 81 3. So here 3 is there. We have to express this 81 in like a power of 3. So for that we will do prime factorization with 3 table. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 2 is 2. 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now when you multiply 3 4 times you will get 81. So in place of 81 we will write as 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is nothing but 81. Now log 3 power 4 3 power 1. Again we can use the same formula like previous sum. So we will write powers outside before log. 1 by 4 is a power, so we will write 1 by 4 out, and log base 3 and 3, and here again 3 and 3 are same, so we will write by using the formula of log a power a and a is equal to 1. So in place of log 3 we will write 1. 1 by 4 into 1 is 1 by 4 is the answer. Third question, log base 2 1 by 16. Now again we have to find the value of x. So we'll write log base 2 power 1 is nothing but 2, and 16 we can express like a power. So 16 times 2 table factorization, because here 2 is there, so we will do with 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 2 3 4, 4 2s are there. That means when you multiply 2 4 times you will get 16. So we'll write 1 by 2 power 4. Now again log base 2 power 1. Here 1 by it is in numerator and denominator. We will bring like a numerator. So when I denominator transpose to numerator, its sign changes, power sign changes. So 2 power 4 changes to 2 power minus 4. So 2 power minus 4. Now again by using the formula of previous sum, log y power n x power m is equals to m by n. We'll take powers front of a log, and we'll write base same and x value same. So by using this formula we'll write powers. What are the powers? Minus 4 by 1. So minus 4 by 1 log base is 2 and x value is 2. So minus 4 by 1 is nothing but minus 4, and log by using the formula of log a base a and a is equals to 1. So 1 log 2 into 2 is 1. So 4 minus 4 into 1 is nothing but minus 4. The value of x is minus 4 will be the answer. So whenever you will see this type of question, first base value or power value, change the exponents like power and a base you have to write. For all the questions, if you observe, we are changing the, for 81 we wrote like 3 power 4, and here 16 we wrote 2 power minus 4. So you have to change the given question. and then after that easily you can find the next remaining sum question. The fourth question, log 7 base 1. By using the formula when log a power 1 is nothing but 0, therefore log 7 power 7 1 is equal to 0 will be the answer. The fifth question, log 2 512. Now log 2 512 we have to express 512 into 2 power any number. So we will do prime factorization for 512. So 512, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, and 1 again carry goes to the 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 carry goes to the next number, it's 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 2 2s are, 2 1s are 2 6 are, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So we'll count how many 2s are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So total 9 2s are there. That means we'll start solution. Log 2 base is 2. Instead of 512 we'll express like exponents and power. 2 power 9. 2 times 9 is 512. Now by using the similar form, same previous formula of log y power n x power m is equals to m by n log x base value and x value. Now log powers are 9 by 1. So 9 by 1 log base is 2 and x value is 2. So 9 by 1 is 9. Log base 2 is nothing but we will write log 1 by using the formula of log a power a is equals to 1. So 9 into 1 is nothing but answer is 9.